My name is David Thompson. So, what are the steps involved from start to finish with the home buying process? Hi, my name is David Thompson. It is really important that you're well educated about the home buying process. Today, we're going to cover the basic steps. However, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some resources so you can learn more information. So, the very first step is finding a great real estate agent. And what I mean by that is you do not want to be somebody's on the job training. Additionally, you only want to work with a real estate agent that's not only going to show you on market properties, the houses you get to see on Zillow and the other websites, they get to see through the MLS, but has a strategy to find off market houses. These are houses that are not on the market yet. They're coming onto the market that you get to see before anybody else. So, really important that you adopt somebody that has that strategy. Step number two would be, if you're not paying cash, is the mortgage process. So, you want to take care of that right away. And see, there's mortgage brokers and there's lenders. And then there's pre-qualifications, there's pre-approvals, and there are actually approvals. The best combination is working with a lender who can actually provide you a real approval. So you're shopping basically with a piece of paper that says you're already approved for your mortgage. All you have to do is find the house. We have to get an appraisal done. That is, in the best case scenario, that's almost as good as cash. And then you start the shopping. When you're shopping, once again, you should not only be looking at on market houses, but you should be looking at the houses that are coming on the market that aren't there yet. And those are called off market houses. Once you find a house, the next step is negotiating. And your real estate agent should be an expert at negotiating. And by the way, the only way you're an expert at negotiating is that you've negotiated a lot over the past. So, once again, experience is very important. Once you have the negotiating, you have an accepted offer, you're excited, and you get to do the home inspection. Not required, but however, highly recommended. And a home inspection gives you a list of everything that is wrong with that property. And you can say, I'm good with it. Or you can say, I would like the seller to give me a cash allowance for these things or repair these things. You can even say, I don't like the house, I want to walk away. So that's the power of the home inspection. Then you have the process up to the close, including the close. Now, a great real estate agent, great loan officer will go over the numbers with you before you get to the closing table. So important that you've looked over these so you're not pressured and you can actually enjoy that experience of that wonderful day that you get to the keys to your property. Now, once again, a great real estate agent, their activities, what they do for you, does not stop at this point. They should be your real estate agent for lifetime, as long as you own that house. See, they have all the resources, or should have. If your house is got a bad roof, or you need some repairs, or you have a question, or you think about refinancing, you should be able to reach out to your real estate agent, and they should be able to help you with everything housing related. So, additional resources. We have an online class. There's a series of classes that really educate you on the whole process. They're live classes. They're done. You can take them from home at your convenience. They're in a live format. That's down below here, the link. The second thing that we have is we have one-on-one appointments. You can actually sit down with myself or anyone from our team so we can educate you on the home buying process. And we also do home buyer seminars, and there's also a link down below for our home buyer seminars where we actually provide you the information in a group setting. So my name is David Thompson, and I'm with Dream Builder Real Estate Group.